Hello guys, uh, that is my DIY parole. So I can sell Philippines Asians Christmas lantern. It's beautiful, huh?
Yes. Come on.
Ayan po yung aking parole for this coming para ma-feel po natin ang Christmas in Asia. Ayan po yung aking ginawang lantern parole. Ayan po yung Asian lantern. Ayan siya. It's beautiful. Ayan, DIY. So ito na nga tayo guys. Ito papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga gagamitin nyo para sa inyong parol sa darating na Pasko. Ano guys, no? So ito siya, bamboo stick. I order in Amazon as well. And then this one is the buy in Ross in $2.99 only. You can you can take the gold like a cellophane, like a crystal, the one I put in my parol. I just use the green, but just save the leftover just in case you need a tissue for your gift and coming holidays. And this one, the garland, I buy also in Dollar Tree for $1. This one only for $1. And this one I buy in Walmart for $1 something also. And this one I buy in is a dollars. The white blue I buy in Dollar Tree for $1. And this one is gonna be in Walmart also, is $2 something. So this is a lollipop, bamboo lollipop stick. And then this one I buy also in a gift shop, gift wrap, something like that. I buy. You can buy also in Walmart. This is the cello wrap, so cellophane. So parang gift wrap din siya, pero cellophane lang siya. Para kita yung light natin sa loob ng parol. Ayan po lang siya yung aking tools na ginamit sa aking parol. It's very cheap, di ba po guys? Ito naman na bamboo pala, binili ko sa Amazon. $8 for 80 pieces. But you can buy 100 pieces for $13.99 only. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna upload also my tutorial how to make a parol next. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.